Today's video, I'll show you how DayL's Natural Timecycle Mod improves GTA 4's visuals without affecting performance. Check my video description for this fusion fix. Select this two line on the right top and select links and select this download fusion fix offline installer and it started downloading. And check my video description for this mod link. Just scroll down and check manual download option and select download. Select slow download option and it will start downloading. After download done, select this Fusion Fix Offline installer. Select more info and select run anyway option. Select this browse for another folder and navigate to the GTA 4 game folder. Select the GTA 4 game folder and select folder option. Select the path we selected. Installation finished successful. Just close and select this folder icon, right click on the natural time cycle and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open the main files folder. It's closed off here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Now just close off here and launch the game. I will add a before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.